Hello guys, I hope you are all doing great. If you're new here, please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends. In this tutorial, I will show you how to increase the speed of your mouse on MacBook. Are you ready? So let's get started. As you can see, my mouse is not actually moving fast. So how we can actually increase the speed of my mouse? Very easy. Click on Apple icon, choose system preferences, and here we have trackpad. As you can see, click on that. As you can see, tracking speed here is in the middle. You have to move to the right fast, as you can see, and now it's moving very fast. Yeah, that's it. Very easy and very simple. Yeah, if you like the video, please do subscribe my channel and leave a comment. See you in the next video.